Good morning, Green Valley Medical Clinic. This is Jessica speaking. How may I help you today? Good morning. My name is Sarah. I'd like to make an appointment to see a doctor. Certainly, Sarah. I'd be happy to help you with that. May I ask what the appointment is regarding? I've been feeling sick for the last few days. I have a sore throat, a cough, and a headache. I'm also feeling very tired. I'm sorry to hear that. How long have you been experiencing these symptoms? The sore throat started about 4 days ago. The headache and cough began a couple of days later. I see. Have your symptoms been getting worse, or are they staying about the same? I think they're getting a little worse. Last night I had a mild fever, too. Thank you for letting me know. Have you visited our clinic before? No, this will be my first visit. That's perfectly fine. I'll need to collect some information from you before scheduling the appointment. Sure. Could you please tell me your full name? Sarah Ann Miller. Thank you. And what is your date of birth? June 19th, 1999. Great. May I have your phone number? Yes, it's 555-238-7619. Thank you. And your home address? 1457 Oak Street, Apartment 12, Springfield. Perfect. Now let me check our schedule. We have an appointment available tomorrow morning at 9:30 a.m. We also have one today at 3:15 p.m. I would prefer today if possible. Of course. The 3:15 p.m. appointment is available. That sounds great. Excellent. I'll reserve that appointment for you. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Since this is your first visit, please arrive about 20 minutes early. Okay, is there a reason I need to come early? Yes, you'll need to complete some registration forms and provide your insurance information. That makes sense. Do you have health insurance? Yes, I do. Wonderful. Please bring your insurance card and a photo ID with you. I'll make sure to bring both. Great. Before we finish, I'd like to ask a few more questions so we can update your file. Sure. Do you have any known allergies to medications? No, I don't. Are you currently taking any prescription medications? No prescription medications, just some over-the-counter pain medicine for my headache. Thank you. Have you had any major surgeries in the past? No, I've never had surgery. That's good to know. Can I ask a question? Of course. How long does an appointment usually take? For a new patient, it usually takes between 30 and 45 minutes. Okay, that's not too bad. The doctor will review your medical history, discuss your symptoms, and perform an examination. That sounds good. Is there anything else concerning you besides the sore throat, cough, headache, and fatigue? Well, I've been sleeping poorly because the cough keeps waking me up. I'm sorry to hear that. Be sure to mention that to the doctor. Sleep is very important when you're recovering from an illness. I will. Have you been drinking plenty of fluids? I've tried, but probably not as much as I should. Try to drink plenty of water before your appointment. Staying hydrated can help you feel a little better. Thanks for the advice. You're welcome. To be honest, I'm a little nervous. I don't usually go to the doctor. That's completely understandable. Many people feel that way. Our doctors are very friendly and will make you feel comfortable. That's reassuring. Is there anything else I can help you with today? Actually, yes. Where exactly is the clinic located? We're located at 2800 Maple Avenue, next to the public library. Oh, I know where that is. Perfect. We also have free parking behind the building. That's helpful. When you arrive, simply check in at the front desk and let us know you're here for your appointment. Sounds easy enough. Wonderful. Thank you for being so helpful. It's my pleasure. I'll see you this afternoon then. We look forward to seeing you. Take care and drive safely. Thank you. Have a great day. You too. Goodbye. Goodbye. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Welcome to Green Valley Medical Clinic. How can I help you today? Hi, I have an appointment at 3:15 with the doctor. My name is Sarah Miller. Let me check our schedule. Yes, I see your appointment here. Welcome, Sarah. Thank you. Since this is your first visit, I'll need you to complete a few registration forms. Sure. Here's a clipboard with the forms. Please fill in your personal information, emergency contact, medical history, and insurance details. Okay. If you have any questions while completing the forms, just let me know. Thank you. I think I've completed everything. Great. Let me take a quick look. Everything looks good. Thank you. You're welcome. May I see your photo ID and insurance card? Of course. Here they are. Thank you. Here you go. Thanks. You're all checked in now. The doctor is running on time today, so you shouldn't have to wait very long. That's good to hear. Please have a seat in the waiting area. A nurse will call your name shortly. Okay. Excuse me. Yes? Is there a water fountain nearby? Yes, it's just around the corner near the hallway. Thank you. You're welcome. Hi, Lisa. Hey, how are you feeling? Not great. I'm at the doctor's office right now. Oh no, are you okay? I think so. It's probably just a bad cold, but I wanted to get checked. That's a good idea. I've had a cough and headache for several days. Hopefully the doctor can help. I hope so too. Well, let me know how it goes. I will. Feel better soon. Thanks. Talk to you later. Sarah Miller? That's me. Hi, Sarah. My name is Emily. I'll be taking you to the examination room. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Please follow me. Have you been to a medical clinic recently? No, it's been quite a while. No problem. We'll take good care of you. Thank you. Please have a seat here. Okay. Before the doctor comes in, I'm going to check your vital signs. Sure. Let's start with your weight. Great. What's next? I'll check your blood pressure. I always wonder how these machines work. They measure the force of blood flowing through your arteries. Interesting. Your blood pressure looks normal. That's good news. Now let's check your temperature. Your temperature is slightly elevated. So I still have a fever? A mild one. I thought so. Now I'll check your oxygen level. What does that measure? It measures how much oxygen is in your blood. That's pretty amazing. Technology has come a long way. It certainly has. Everything looks good so far. That's a relief. Now I'd like to ask you a few questions about your symptoms. Sure. What brings you in today? I've had a sore throat, headache, cough, fatigue, and a mild fever. How long have you been feeling this way? About 4 days. Have your symptoms improved at all? Not really. Any chest pain? No. Any difficulty breathing? No, thankfully. Have you experienced nausea or vomiting? No. Any allergies? None that I know of. Great. The doctor will review all this information shortly. Okay. Is there anything else you'd like the doctor to know? The cough keeps waking me up at night. I'll make a note of that. Thank you. You're welcome. The doctor should be here in just a few minutes. Great. Is there anything I can get for you while you're waiting? No, I'm okay. All right. Make yourself comfortable. Thank you. You're welcome.
Hello, Sarah. I'm Dr. Ryan. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, doctor.
I reviewed the notes from the receptionist and nurse, but I'd like to hear about your symptoms in your own words. Tell me what's been going on.
Well, it started about 4 days ago with a sore throat. At first, I thought it was nothing serious. I figured it would go away on its own.
That's understandable.
Then I started getting headaches. After that, I developed a cough. I've also been feeling really tired.
I see. How severe is the headache on a scale from 1 to 10, with 10 being the worst pain imaginable?
Maybe a 5 or 6.
And what about your sore throat?
It's uncomfortable, especially when I swallow.
Does anything make it better?
Warm tea helps a little.
That's good to know.
The worst part is probably the cough at night.
Is it a dry cough, or are you coughing up mucus?
Mostly dry.
Has the cough been getting worse?
A little.
Okay.
I've also been feeling exhausted, even after sleeping.
Have you been able to sleep through the night?
Not really. The cough wakes me up several times.
Lack of sleep can definitely make you feel worse during an illness.
That's what I thought.
Have you noticed any shortness of breath?
No.
Any chest pain?
No.
That's reassuring. Have you had any chills?
Yes, especially at night.
What about body aches?
A little. My shoulders and back feel sore.
Have you lost your appetite?
Yes, I've been eating less than usual.
Are you drinking enough water?
I'm trying, but probably not as much as I should.
Hydration is very important when you're sick.
I'll try to drink more.
Good. Do you smoke?
No.
Do you drink alcohol?
Occasionally, but not recently.
Any history of asthma?
No.
Any major medical conditions?
No, I'm usually pretty healthy.
That's excellent.
I rarely get sick.
Sometimes even healthy people catch viruses.
True.
Have you been around anyone who was sick recently?
Yes, one of my coworkers had a bad cold last week.
That could be where you picked it up.
That's what I was thinking.
All right. I'd like to perform a physical examination.
Okay.
First, let me listen to your heart. Take a normal breath.
Okay.
Very good. Your heart sounds normal.
That's good.
Now I'm going to listen to your lungs.
All right.
Take a deep breath in.
Like this?
Perfect. Now breathe out.
Okay.
Again.
Excellent. How do they sound?
Your lungs sound clear.
That's a relief.
Yes, that's a very positive sign. Now I'd like to examine your throat.
Sure.
Open your mouth and say, ah.
Ah.
Good. I can see some redness and mild inflammation.
Is that bad?
Not necessarily. It's common with viral infections.
Okay.
Let me also check your ears.
Sure.
Everything looks normal there.
Good.
Based on your symptoms and examination, it appears that you have a viral upper respiratory infection.
What exactly does that mean?
It's basically a common viral illness that affects your nose, throat, and airways.
So it's similar to a cold?
Exactly.
That's a relief.
The good news is that most people recover completely within a week or two.
That's great to hear.
Right now, I don't see any signs of a serious infection.
I was worried it might be pneumonia.
Your lungs sound healthy, which makes pneumonia much less likely.
That's reassuring.
I understand why you were concerned.
I tend to worry when I don't feel well.
That's perfectly normal.
So, what should I do?
The most important things are rest, hydration, and time.
Okay,
Your body needs energy to fight the virus.
that makes sense.
I also recommend warm fluids, such as tea and soup.
I've been drinking tea.
That's excellent.
Will I need antibiotics?
No.
Why not?
Antibiotics only work against bacteria. Viruses don't respond to antibiotics.
I didn't know that.
Many people think antibiotics help every illness, but that's not the case.
Interesting.
Taking antibiotics when you don't need them can actually cause problems.
Like what?
Side effects, stomach issues, and antibiotic resistance.
I see.
That's why we only prescribe them when necessary.
That makes sense.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome.